this journey. Good afternoon, kids.
Good afternoon.
Story about the great creator. Okay. Great creator. Do you have any idea who is the great creator? Okay, Tantan.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, very good. What other names ni Jesus Christ? Okay.
God.
Okay, God. Now, maminaw ha? God made everything good and it all belongs to Him. He made us to be His children. Day 1. Do you have any idea about day 1? When Jesus created the earth? Wala pa? Okay, I will tell you the story. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Okay, the earth didn't have any shape. And it was empty. Darkness was over the surface of the ocean. At that time, the ocean covered the earth. Unsa daw ang ocean? Nag-cover sa earth. Okay, the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. God said, "Let there be light." Unsa ingon ni Jesus Christ sa day 1? Let
There be light.
Okay, and there was light. Okay. God saw that light was good. He separated the light from darkness. Okay. God called the light day, and the darkness, He called it,
Night.
okay, night. Very good. That is the day 1. Okay, day 2. God said, "Let there be a huge space between the waters. Let it separate water from water." And that's exactly what happened. God called the huge space. Unsay tawag ni Jesus Christ dito sa taas, sa huge space? Unsay tawag na?
Space. Sky.
Very good, ikaw. Okay, day 2 to siya ha. Okay, let's go to day
3.
Day 3. Okay, day 3. God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered into one place. Let dry ground appear." And that what exactly happened. God called the dry ground surface, grass, very good, land. He called the waters that were gathered together. Ang water, gathered niya together. Ano siya tawag?
Rain.
Okay.
Ocean.
Oceans. Okay. And God saw that it was good. Good daw, sabi ni Jesus Christ. Then God said, "Let the land produce plants." Okay. "Let them bear their own seeds. And let there be trees on the land that bear fruit, with seeds in it. Let each kind of plant or tree have its own kind of seeds." And what exactly happened? God saw that it was good. Okay, good daw, sabi ni Jesus Christ. Then, God said, sa day 4, ang sanatang day?
4.
Okay, God said, "Let there be lights in the huge space. Let them separate the day from the night. Let them serve as a sign to mark off the seasons and days of the year." Okay? "Let them serve as light in a huge space of the sky to give light on the earth." And that exactly what happened. God saw that it was good. Okay, nasabta ng day 4?
Yes.
Okay, so, unsang tang day karon? 5. Okay. God said, "Let the waters be filled with living things." Unsa ang mga living things?
Animals.
Okay.
Fish.
Okay?
Sea creature.
Very good. Isa pa. Living things.
Human.
Human. Isa pa. Isa pa mga hayop. Plants. Okay. Okay. Let birds fly above the earth across a huge space on the sky. And God saw that it was good. Again, it was good. God blessed them. He said, "Have little ones and increase your numbers. Fill the waters in the ocean." Unsa ang mo fill sa ocean?
Water.
Unsa ang nasa water? Okay, unsa nasa water? Mga
Isda.
isda. Unsa pa?
Signature.
Okay, sea creatures. Let there be more and more birds on earth. Okay, that was the day 5. Okay, nakasabot mo wala. Okay, unsa na tang day karon? Day 6. Okay. God said, "Let the land produce all kinds of living creatures." God made all kinds of wild animals. So, unsa mga wild animals?
Lion.
Okay.
Tiger.
Okay.
Bear.
Bear, elephant, very good. Okay. God made all kinds of wild animals. He made all kinds of livestock. He made all kinds of creatures and move along the ground. And God saw it was good. Masa mo na? Di ba? Imong ilok? Okay. Ayaw sana. Unya na. Then God said, "Let us make a man in our likeness." Ano sa daw ni Jesus? Maghimo o?
Maghimo daw siya.
Parehong sa iya, ha? Okay. So God created man in His own likeness. He created him in the likeness of God. He created them as male and
Female.
okay, very good. God blessed them. He said to them, "Have children and increase your number." Ibig sabihin, magpadaghan ang tao. Okay? Fill the earth and bring it under control. Rule over the fish in the waters and the birds on the air. Okay, rule over every living creature that move on the ground. God saw everything He had made, and it was very good. So the heaven and the earth and everything in them were completed. That was the day 7. Okay. By the 7th day, God had finished. Ano sa nga day na finished to Jesus Christ? 7. Okay. Finished the work He had been doing. So on the 7th day, He rested from all His work. God blessed the 7th day and made it holy. So that's why He rested on it. After He had created everything, He rested from all the work He had done. So that is the end of the 7th day of creation. So kids, nganong 7th day man nahuman si Jesus Christ para mag-unsa si Jesus Christ? Mag-rest, di ba? So kita, pag nasimba ta, when we go to church, unsa man nga day tagadto sa church?
Sunday.
Sunday, that is the rest day. Okay, mag-rest si Jesus sa Sunday or anything mag 7th day of the week. Mag-rest si Jesus Christ. Pareho sa ato ang mga tao, mag-rest yun sa every 7th day. Hatag nato kay Jesus Christ ang isa ka adlaw sa isa ka semana, no? Gasimba mo, wala?
Simba.
Okay, very good. At simba mo permi, maminaw sa pulong sa Ginoo dayon. Mudako mo nga mga maayo nga bata. Okay, kids?
Yes.
Do you learn something from the story?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Clear. Clap your hands, big. Okay, bye.